Hello friends, I am Adilakshmi. Today I am going to say about a boy who has bad temper. What is meant by bad temper? A bad tempered person is the one who gets angry very quickly at very little things. Generally we'll come across some persons who will get a very angry for simple reasons, for silly reasons. So now I'm going to start the story. Once there was a little boy who had a bad temper. His father was worried about him and he decided to change the boy. Then one day he gave a bag of nails to him and he told his son to hammer a nail. In each case, he lost his temper. That boy said to do like that, and then the very next day he started, and the next day he hammered 37 nails in the wall. Means he got 37 times angry on others. So he decided, continued to doing like that. The number of nails in the wall decreased day by day as he got experience in controlling the anger. Finally, one day he was able to control his anger and he no need to hammer any nail in the wall. Then he went to his father and told the same. This time his father told him to pull out a nail each time he should be able to control his temper. This time he should pull out the nails. The boy said okay. He did like that only, and slowly after some weeks there were no nails in the wall. Means he was able to control his temper on others. Again he went to his father and told the same. Father said and felt very happy, and father said, "You have done well, my son, but see the holes in the wall. The wall will never be the same again. The same thing will happen in your life also. When you speak in anger, your mouth works faster than your mind. In anger, if you do the things, we won't think about the consequences. In anger is one letter short of danger. danger. You take up the anger. So one letter short. You will go to, sometimes anger may lead to dangerous situations also. If you have patience for a moment, you can save 100 days of sorrows. So suppose for example, if your friend is very angry about you and if she told some rude words on that day, you felt bad, and again she realized her mistake and she told sorry. Though you are able to excuse her, but you cannot forget the words you heard from her, like the holes in the wall. The things what you do in anger, they leave a scar in their mind, like the holes in the wall. And the words will stay in your memory. You cannot forget those words. So, my dear children, anger can destroy many things. So, control your words and actions and live a peaceful life. We should be the master of our emotions. Don't be anger for simple things and don't be a rude person. So control your anger, then behave like a good child. Thank you.